in Chem. Today we are going to see 40 more important reagents and their conversions. Okay, this is very useful for both PGTRB, Polytechnic TRB, as well as NEET, JEE, all the exams. Okay, don't miss it. Watch until end. See here, the 51 reagent is chlorine. In the presence of light, the chlorination will take place in the alkyl group of the benzene or alkane. Okay, or COHCl and anhydrous AlCl3 will convert benzene to benzaldehyde, and dimethyl cadmium acid chloride to ketone, and RMGX, this Grignard reagent and on hydrolysis in the presence of an acid gives cyanide into ketones. HCN carbonyl compound into cyanohydrine. So NaHSO3 addition to aldehyde and ketones. So hydroxylamine carbonyl compound into oxime. Hydrazine carbonyl compound into hydrazone. Phenylhydrazine carbonyl compound into phenylhydrazone. So according to the substitution, it will change. Okay, phenylhydrazone. So 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone carbonyl compound into 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. The next NH2CO, that is semicarbazone, means carbonyl compound into semicarbazide. ROH in presence of HCl is aldehyde and ketone into hemiacetal and acetal. So this one convert into hemiacetal, this is acetal. Okay, and here in this case ethylene glycol and presence of HCl, aldehyde or ketone into ethylene glycol, this one becomes acetal and this is becomes ethylene glycol ketols. Okay, and zinc mercury in presence of HCl, carbonyl compound into alkane, and hydrazine KOH carbonyl compound into this also alkane. And these are all the oxidizing agent KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, that is potassium permanganate, and potassium dichromate, and H2SO4 or HNO3 ketone into a mixture of carboxylic acid on prolonged oxidation. This is oxidation reaction. Okay, here this is the Tollens reagent. Okay, this we know very well. This is a Tollens reagent, and this is a CuOH twice the Felling's test. Okay, these two shows as a presence of an aldehyde, and this is not for a ketone. Felling test is not shows anything for ketone. It is this will differentiate a reducing or non-reducing agent. Non-reducing sugars for Felling test. This will shows the differentiate between the ketone and aldehyde. This will shows only for a alpha hydroxy ketone, not for all the ketones. Sodium hydroxide and iodine gives iodoform test, and sodium hydroxide is aldol condensation. Concentrated KOH or sodium hydroxide gives Cannizzaro reaction. KMnO4 toluene, KMnO4 or potassium hydroxide gives toluene or alkyl benzene into benzoic acid. This hydrolysis in presence of acid, cyanide into carboxylic acid, amides into carboxylic acid, esters into carboxylic acids, and alcohols, acid chloride or anhydride into carboxylic acid. So this will becomes into an acid. Everything will become into an acid most of the time. Okay, sodium hydroxide means saponification of ester, acid into a salts of acids. And sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate and the carboxylic acid test. And here P4O10 or potassium pentoxide, phosphorus pentoxide, for dehydration of acids into anhydride, amides into nitriles. Here ROH are concentrated sulfuric acid, carboxylic acid into esters. Here PCl3 thionyl chloride, PCl5 carboxylic acid into acid chloride. All these reagents are acid chlorides. Okay, ammonia on heating, carboxylic acid into amide. Sodium hydroxide on CaO, it gives decarboxylation, that is acids into alkanes. It takes place. Here LAH, that is lithium aluminum hydride, the carboxylic acid into an alcohol, amide into an amines. Okay, so carboxylic acid into alcohol or alcohol, amides into an acid becomes an alcohol, amide into an amine. Okay, this chlorine and or in the presence of a red phosphorus, what will happen? Hell-Olcott Zelinsky reaction. Okay, this is the famous reaction, the halogenation reaction, which is the carboxylic acid which contains the alpha position carbon having a hydrogen. You know, that hydrogen is replaced with a chlorine. So this is Hell-Olcott Zelinsky reaction. Zinc HCl or iron HCl or hydrogen palladium, these are all the reducing agents. So reduction of nitro to amine takes place. Ammonia, alkyl halide into amines. Hydrogen nickel or hydrogen palladium or LAH, the amide into cyanide will takes place. So potassium hydroxide in presence of alkyl halide, phthalimide into amine takes place. Sodium hydroxide on bromine, Hoffman bromamide, that is amide into amine with one less carbon. One carbon will be less. If amide which is having a 4 carbons means, and the resultant product will have a 3 carbons. Potassium hydroxide and chloroform gives amine into carbylamines. Okay. Sodium nitrate and HCl, we know very well this is a diazotization reaction. Sodium nitrate and HCl, which forms aniline into a diazonium chloride, and primary aliphatic amines into an alcohols also. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so that you will get all the shortcut informations in a single shot, all the tricks which will be useful for your exams. Thanks for watching. Share to your friends also. Thank you so much.